What's going on YouTube? Ty from xking.com hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna give you what is one of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube without actually doing any hard work. That anybody can do. Now, everybody play video games. I understand that, but if you want to create content, and some of the biggest content on YouTube is gaming. The easiest way to make money with gaming, I think every person who plays an Xbox or PlayStation needs to be doing this because you're just wasting time not doing it. You should stream. Okay, so I'm on my Xbox dashboard. I just started this gaming channel not long ago. So this is my dashboard. So all you have to do is hit the home button. You're gonna go to set up your broadcast. Wait for a minute. So, I'm the King Killer. So what you can do is start a broadcast. Look at that. Now look, it's paused because you have to be playing a game in order for it to work. Okay, so right now I'm about to stream. Now if I play the Xbox, if I play a game, it'll turn on. Now, what's gonna happen is, we'll turn this off. I'm not live yet. I might be live, but it says I'm not. I might be live. So look, I did a broadcast. This is built in the area Xbox. So what you can do is play the game like you normally do. Just turn it on, play it like you normally play it. All you have to do is go to Mixer.com, okay, create your profile, whatever. Make sure you go to settings and you make sure you go to save live streams, okay? Because if you do the live streams and you look for it, it won't be there. So make sure you go to settings on your desktop and do that. You can take this footage. You could buy editing software or use editing software on your laptop, which is free. You can edit the video how you see fit, maybe with the highlights of the video. Maybe you saw something and you highlight that. And you could take that same video, upload to YouTube as content. That easy. I mean, it's a 3-step process. You play the game, you stream the game. Well, it's 3 steps. You play the game, stream it, upload to your editing software, edit the video. That's the hard part, editing the video. Because editing video is quite difficult. But once you learn it and do it, keep doing it, you get better. Edit the video, upload to YouTube. Simple thing. This is the easiest thing to do making money online. Or with YouTube, with gaming, very simple, not hard at all. And the cool thing about this is you can rinse and repeat. You can do a 1-hour stream, take that 1 hour content, chop it down to 10 minutes, all the good points, all the whatever, all the exciting points, upload to YouTube and get on the Xbox and do it all over again. And you upload the video up to YouTube. So this is a real good way to make money online, start online business. I would highly suggest you do it. And if you want coaching and you want one-on-one training, having money on YouTube without filming videos, because I don't consider this filming videos. You're not filming yourself. You're streaming your gameplay. And you're editing the video and you're uploading to YouTube. You ain't showing your face unless you have a camera for your face. Whatever. So if you want more hands-on training, I have a program below. Look at it. It's called Make Money on YouTube. Click the link and it will link you to a program that I use to make money on YouTube. And but other than that, go at it and make the money. Okay? My name is Ty with xking.com. Thanks for watching.